The day has come. Canada got access to VO3. Let's go. We're going to be testing it out. We're joined by my wife, Tiffany, or
I'm the only
Iffy.
one on your live.
Yeah, I know. But there's a recording, okay, that I'm going to upload. Don't judge me. All right. We got ourselves some VO3.
You forgot to introduce Patty.
Oh, and then we got Patty, the legend.
Hey,
AI.
video.
Hey, video. Let's do it. So we got 8 seconds of video generation. We're spending lots of credits. Man in a space suit floating with a galaxy background. I bet you guys didn't expect that one. Then we're going to grab this. I have a prompt generator for it, so we'll see if it's good, but astronaut says, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm giving you all these likes, by the way.
Yeah, it's like you already hit it 300 times. All right, let's hit generate. I don't know how many we get per day, what the limits are. We're going to find them pretty quick. Oh no, it could take 1 to 2 minutes for a generation. That's actually not bad. Let's go. Okay. Let's see if this is actually good. I think it's going to be. We also have Flow ready to go. Have you tested VO3? I'm testing it right now. I just got access today. Being from Canada, yeah. You don't always get first access, but we got it. Let's go. Waiting for our first video. So we have a man in a spacesuit floating with a galaxy background. The astronauts say, okay, I guess I can't type in English, but that's fine. It should understand. I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely. Emojis, how's it going? It's a big day today.
That's a good one.
I think it's going to be good. We just started it up. We just got it going.
Do you have a why do you keep making me eat popcorn?
No, I'm going to try a bunch because I guess Flow, if you go into it now, so let's look at some of the features. They have text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. So I should be able to make a photo of myself floating in space with a galaxy background, eating popcorn. Yeah, I know. It's a meta prompt, kind of a big deal. We're also going to test to see how to prompt it. Gareth, good to see you. So I have a prompt generator. I don't know if it's any good. Yo, Matt, is it working for Gemini Enterprise accounts? I'm not sure. It probably depends where they're located. I know it's just on personal Gemini right now. We upgraded today. I was going... I did so many methods to try to get around not being in the US. It's great. I might as well rent a house there. Because I bought a virtual phone number, Google blocked it. I got a real phone number from a friend, signed up for a Google account, went to put in my PayPal, blocked. Went to put in my friend's credit card, blocked. Went to do absolutely everything. Then I eventually just gave up. Video's ready. First video. Let's go.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
Good audio, but no voice sync to it. Let's try the same prompt in Flow. We still have to learn how to prompt this. It may take a couple tries. Okay, I'm gonna go floating. Astronaut says, radio static. Close. Camera goes close up to his face. Okay. Oh, wow. It generates 2? We only want 1. Oh, we're on VO2. Doesn't count. Everybody, don't count that one.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah, of course that's the default. Come on. Let's go. So VO2 should be, at least we have a comparison now. Of course, it's not going to make any sound, but what can you do? Here, let's try the meta prompt with this one. So I'm not sure if a prompt like this is going to work well. I just found a GPT for it. We're going to see if it's good. Here we go. Ooh, this looks like it has potential. I know this is VO2, so it doesn't say it. It doesn't actually say the words. At least we get to compare the actual quality of it. It has pretty good movement. Like, VO2 was state-of-the-art generator. I don't care what anybody says. It was the best. And it was just a bit too expensive. If anything, now it's going to be significantly cheaper. Whoa! Adam, you just sent me 2 galaxies? Nah. Are you serious?
Was it on accident?
That is crazy. That's the most I've only just recently got a galaxy, but 2 at once? You're an absolute legend. Jeez. Appreciate that. Okay, so we're generating... Oh, we didn't hit generate on this. Highest quality. But why did put it... I only put 1 output per prompt. Oh, it's doing it correctly, so we're good. We have lots of different things that we could do with this model. Now we could at least compare it to VO2. I'm sure that took absolutely 0 usage of mine. I know after a while it's going to kick me out for like 5 days. Maybe not 5 days, like 2 or 3 days. Which is kind of crazy, but... Server load. It's not like I didn't pay them for this. Built a GPT for fun on this. Literally been playing with it all day. Did you find a substitute for the new VO3 yourself? What do you mean, like a substitute of how to get a plan? Because before I was struggling to get a plan. Now, I think we're zoomed in a bit too much too. But yeah, I was able to sign up today. They increased the what's it called? The geos. How long is the generation? It takes about 1 to 2 minutes right now. And Adam, I'd love to try your GPT for it. I'm just using this random one that I found here. I don't know how to prompt this yet. Full disclosure. Will I figure it out? Yes. Yeah, I was blocked being in Canada, and I tried everything. Absolutely everything to get around it. Had a virtual phone number, blocked by Google, friend's phone number, it blocked friend's payment, etc. I had some people offer to give me like a remote desktop access, but yeah. We'll see. Okay, here we go. VO3. This one looks pretty good.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
That's actually really good.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
I don't believe it's available. I saw it in the API on Vertex. Vertex VO3. I don't know if it's available yet. Is it available in Australia? I'm not sure. They just made it available in Canada. So it's possible. This is actually fantastic. Oh, and this was using the meta prompt too at the same time. Like the one from the GPT. So that's good to see. Does VO3 model have any daily video generation limit? Yes. Yes, it does. I know for a fact that it has a generation limit, but I think you get to generate on both Gemini and on Flow. But it'll eventually kick you out for sometimes multiple days if you generate too much. And it's not that many, which is crazy. Okay, let's see this one. So compared to the last one,
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
Microsoft
I have
Sam.
no idea why.
They train this on Microsoft Sam. All right, now let's just try the meta prompt in Flow. See how it does. So yeah, we did a test VO2, not that good. VO3, quite good. I find it hilarious that they did that. I don't think you could do image to video in this one. It's only text to video. So we'll see. On Gemini, I generated 8 videos yesterday and it kicked me out for 8 days. 8 days is crazy. I haven't heard of anybody getting kicked out for 8 days. What kind of videos were you generating? No, I'm kidding. They just give a pretty significant limit on it, so that could be why. But man, this is a really high quality video generator. Can you prompt the sound of the voice? Yeah, you can. You'd have to prompt it, like you just have to describe the actual voice itself. So you can do it. Okay, we don't have another one going right now. What do you guys want to see? Is there anything? No sound detected? You're lying to me. Why would you say that, TikTok? A snowman on the beach playing maracas? Mary. Okay, whatever. A snowman on the beach playing. Oh, you should not add quotation to. Well, I did add quotation for this, and it seems to have had no problem with it. Let's see how this prompt does. They're going to have extend on it eventually. They release saying like, oh, with Flow, you have extend. Like if you use this one, you can extend a clip. But they've only released it for VO2 right now, which is still great. Like VO2 is absolutely capable. Sound like Robert De Niro? I don't know if it has any guardrails for that. If we don't run out of video generations, we could definitely test it. I want to do some stuff too where I actually test the image to video. I'm not sure what we want to do for the image. Darth Maul buying a used car? That would potentially get hit. Let's see. Do we have any new one? We have this is the new one that got made with the meta prompt. Let's compare it to this one. Very similar. Let's see.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
That one was pretty good, except for it said hee hee.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
That's pretty good. The fact that we can do this is crazy. You know, it doesn't matter that it's not like, is this Hollywood? Not quite. But the fact that we could just automatically add sound that's perfectly lip synced and it works extremely well. Not only that, sound effects. Where's my snowman? It's unbelievable. This is the Ultra plan in order to get access to it. So for VO3, you have to have the Ultra. Yeah, the B-roll is going to be insane. I want to try the ingredients too. Maybe we should do that one next. Ingredients to video. So we're going to add upload. I agree. I'm not allowed to do anything really awful. Okay. If the street interviews can be used maliciously 100%. I hope. No, I'm just kidding. I don't hope. Crop and save. Oh, I got a bit of green screen around me for this, but that shouldn't matter. Well, it may matter. We will find out. I've had a feeling most news has been AI since 2012. For all we know, we're prompts. You know? Wait till Netflix announces AI personalized shows, movies. Yeah, the thing is, like, all these platforms are eventually just going to be AI. Like, that's the crazy part about it. Think of YouTube. It'll just generate videos for you on the fly. No influencer needed. It's going to hook up to your vitals and know what you like and what you don't like. Let's not even get into the dirty uses for it, like how bad that's going to be. I always thought you were a prompt. We are all prompts. Simulation theory, everyone is like, maybe we are the prompt. And I think it's really the argument of, like, is there any free will? And then it's like, maybe we're Gemini, like VO7. We could be VO7. Hard to say. Okay, so we have a picture of myself. A man floating in space, eating popcorn. Eating popcorn? Eating pop. We got to get this right. These are expensive. I'm too stupid to be AI. No, you're just meta. You're meta AI, okay? I really think I am AI, but it has to be with my autism. I heard that VO3 is still a little janky. It's a little bit janky. So you want to see? We're already generating. We're generating on it live. Generating on it live. Saturday night, are we out partying? No. We're making the party, literally. We're generating the party. I'm Siri. Oh, that's just offensive to yourself. Okay, so here's what we've generated so far. Let's see what happens. Oh, it does my super full screen. That's not going to work. You know what? Enhance. Enhance. Let's see what happens when you download it. From my reuse prompt. How do I download it? Okay, so you can hit download, and then you can upscale it to 1080p. So listen to this. It has the ability to do 4K. It can do 4K. We're only getting the 720p version of it. Okay. Anyways, back to the prompting. We got to get one. We got to get one in the chamber. All right. Man floating in space, eating popcorn. Looking at the camera and saying, like and follow Matt Farmer AI as he crunches popcorn. And no, let's not go too crazy, okay? Let's give it a break. It, like they said, but how will it be able to eat the popcorn? A good point. Man floating in space without a helmet, wearing his hat in the reference image. There we go. He is eating popcorn, looking at the camera as he crunches popcorn. He sounds like at Matt Farm. Imagine if it's my voice. If it's my voice, I'm just pulling the plug and stream's over. If they've somehow copied my voice, we're ending it right there. We're going somewhere off grid and we're preparing for Skynet. So let's go. At Matt Farmer AI. Okay. Bam. Switching you to a compatible model? No, so they don't have ingredients. Or do they? You're an AI cool kid. Thanks, Ronaldo. I love you. Good luck, tip number 6. Nate, what's going on? Okay, I don't want to be switched. Not quality. You know what? Let's try it. Now that we have reference, we haven't tried a reference with VO2. We're going to do a VO2. Sorry, guys. But don't worry. We'll image to video it. And if image to video is supported. Man floating in space without a helmet, wearing his hat. In the reference image, he eats popcorn looking at the camera. Okay, so what we're going to do is copy this. And then we'll get rid of that. And how long does it take to generate a video? 1 to 2 minutes. It's really fast. Okay, we got to go to the proper. No. Quality. 1 output. You know what? 2 output. We're feeling crazy today because we're using VO2. Is image to video also VO2? Matt, have you tried coding with Claude 4 yet? No, but we have someone in the chat. Well, in my voice in my head.
Woo!
That you've tried coding. You've tried coding with VO or with. All right.
Claude 4, very
Claude
little.
4. Very little. But you have
Very
tried
little.
it.
Yeah, because we had some issues with windsurf getting it on our plan, blah 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 blah. There's like a key restriction things. Yeah, we got it late last night, and I've just been playing video games all day. To be honest with you.
Yeah, we give them the day off. Okay, so I'm interested to see if it knows who I am. Matt Farmer AI. Imagine it does. Okay. We got to change this up. Okay, you could be a little bit more elegant on this, Googs. We're not going to overload it. Okay, here we go.
Oh, VS Code Augment, that must be similar to like Windsurf, Sushi? Where it's like an agentic kind of conversational AI.
Yeah, I think when they dropped it for VS Code, right? From my understanding. Augment.
Yeah, I'm just not sure. When I was using VS Code, it didn't have any AI, and then now I guess it has it, so.
You know what? We could try it in this version. We're just going to go in this one. Because I know I'm going to run out of my limits on one or the other. And that's going to be awful. All right. You know what we're doing? We're flaring up right now. All right. Here we go. Claude 4 uses MCP on cursor by itself. I didn't even ask it to use my MCPs. What? Claude 4 sent some crazy stuff. Oh, mariachi, sorry. I'm Canadian. Very little Spanish. Senor. Chat agent or auto agent? That's pretty good. Okay, I can't generate your video. Maybe it's the sounds like. Let's see. Let's try it again. It's going. I think it's the sounds like. So you probably can't have it sound like people. Okay, here's what is this? Okay, never mind. All right, so this is VO2 with reference image. That's fantastic. Look at how good it does my actual jacket. That is so good. Okay, next one. I don't know why the popcorn's falling everywhere. This is pretty good, though. Patty, you're able to read the chat, right?
Yep.
Okay. Mostly because I'm an idiot. Yeah, so this is with VO2. And VO2 is able to use ingredients now. So we're trying another one of me. I'm just seeing if Google Gemini knows who I am, which I hope they do. I think I'm opted in for all the options to train off me, which is probably going to backfire when I'm older. They're like, oh, hey, Matt, I saw you do that horrible thing online. I'm like, what do you mean? Oh, the video model is actually trained off you. So yeah, this is really impressive for VO2. Ingredients is so good. And then, of course, we have VO3.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
Oh, man, it's so good.
I have no idea why he
ask him to do a backflip. Here's one of the ones that AI is always horrible at is gymnastics. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the videos of AI gymnastics. Let me see if I can find it. Gymnastics.
You think it could turn you into a Fortnite skin?
VO2 probably can. So this is normally AI gymnastics right here. This is how awesome it is at it. It's actually absolutely terrifying. So every AI has had trouble with AI gymnastics up until this point. But you know what? We're going to try VO. Okay, so this is what it thinks Matt Farmer AI looks like.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI.
Okay, so it's not trained off me. That's pretty good sound.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI. Like and follow Matt.
The popcorn coming out of his mouth was a bit weird. Sorry, my mouse was in the way. Let me let's restart it.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI.
That's so good. Did you use VO3 with a start frame yet? No, I haven't done that yet. From my understanding, what I was just told. So this just in, that you're not able to do that. Here, let me first try to get AI gymnastics. Olympic. I may get in trouble for that. Gymnastic, because they have the most lawyers out of everybody. Gymnastics. What do they call it? Balance beam? Is that what it's called? Tiff? Any help on gymnastics?
Yes.
Balance beam? Okay. Balance beam competition. A woman doing an Olympic gymnastics balance beam competition. It kind of sounds weird. Routine. It's too late. It's after I hit the bunny or the button. I found a crazy good AI caller agent that's called Oracle.ai. Not mine, but it's cool. That's interesting. So I need a US VPN, or do I need to somehow prove I'm from the US? No, they just rolled it out to other countries. So go to gemini.google.com and see if you could upgrade to Ultra. Because I found it out today. I tried to work around it. Working around it's bloody impossible. Everyone's like, just do a VPN. No. VPN doesn't work. Did you try WAN 2.1 video generation? Yeah, I did. It's a smaller model, so it really has a lot of issues with physics. That's the problem. It's good. It's good for we got more gifts. Ryu sent Rose. Thanks, man. And then we got another rose. Oruga? I don't know how to say it.
Did you shoot off a flare?
Yeah, I did. Kinda did. We're doing lots of viewership. Flow works with image put for the start frame only. I tried to do flare with I can't talk tonight. We got some issues. Tiff, if you see me go down, just CPR. So we tried VO2 with ingredients, and VO2 with ingredients is actually fantastic. So I included a photo of myself. As you can see, let's review this. Here, let's get the soundboard going.
Have a look at this.
So it got my AI tools on my hat perfect. And then if you look at Matt Farmer AI, it did it even better than ChatGPT 4.0 image generation. Okay, so we're going to need a 16:9 image of myself then floating in space. I could use it with Pro and Gemini. No, you need Ultra from my understanding, unless I just got ripped off for $1 trillion Canadian dollars. I used VO3 via VPN. It works, generates graphics on an American IP. I tried it, but I didn't have an account. Like, I VPN, tried my normal accounts. No, they're registered to me in Canada. Like, they're locked to it. Then I tried to make a new account, and then it wanted a phone number. So I used a virtual phone number. Then it blocked the virtual phone number. Okay, here we go. AI gymnastics. You've seen it here today first. Well, I'm sure they've done it somewhere else. But let's get the zoom in, enhance. Should we get some hardcore music going? No, it's probably best we don't. I'm sure it'll get me in trouble somehow. Okay, ready? Okay, not the best routine. Definitely not the best routine. You know what we need to do if we are going to generate based off an image, we need to create the image. So let's go to MidJourney, use an OmniReference of myself. All the hype. Standing. Yeah, it probably purposely did that. It's like, I know I'm not able to generate that. Yeah, that was fully AI. Yeah, I didn't add a routine. I could have added a flip. So this was the previous generators, what they do for it. I should just get you're right. I should just get another one going. Balance, gymnastics, beam, routine. Doing a flip in the air and landing back on the bar. I guess it's a balance. It's a beam technically, if we're specific. Yep, VO3. Yeah, 70 people, 3K likes. I'm not even allowed to ask you guys to like. Wink. But it would help. We're spending a lot of tokens right now. I will never financially recover from this. So a woman doing an Olympic gymnastics beam routine, doing a flip in the air and landing back on the balance beam. The crowd cheers and the announcers commentate what's happening. So we're hitting it with possibly the hardest thing that we can on this side. How much is... What's up, Jared? I wonder about VO4. How much is VO3? A lot. It was like, it's like 125 US or something like that per month. Is it worth it? We'll find out. Oh, look at this one. You've reached your generation limit until May 25th. Sigh. We still have to make that image. All right, let's do an image one. Yeah, and we've already hit our limit. Let's see how many we got through Gemini. So if we go through Gemini, we've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 generations per day. We need another $125 plan. Gareth, thanks for the roses. So I did 5 with this one. I don't know. Some of these are VO2 on this one. So these two were VO2 just to set a baseline. We did the very first one.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
It was weird how they used Microsoft SAM. Definitely stole that training set. This one was good though. So if we look at the actual prompt for what I did, I split it up into subject, context, camera movement, and then audio for it. I used the ChatGPT GPTs to do it. Okay, anyways, let's do this guy right here, Matt Farmer. So, floating in a spacesuit. Man floating in a spacesuit. 2 words. Eating popcorn without a helmet and a galaxy background. Then we need to make sure we set the right aspect ratio because it's only 16:9 from my understanding right now. Why, Gemini? Why? These ones are pretty good though, if we check them out.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
They do that format because of how they actually train it. So that's one of the big things for when they train these models. It's easier for them to Also think of what format YouTube is in and who owns YouTube. So they're likely doing 16:9 because they're using all of the YouTube videos to train it. Now we know what he's thought during all these years. I know, right? Okay, so we're back to our image right here. Did we make it? Yes, we did. He has a helmet on, so MidJourney is going to be a problem for this one. Okay, let's use this text again. We're going to have to use the MidJourney slot machine on this one a bunch of times. I'm sure we are. OmniReference. Let's try this one again. Popcorn. Let's just say no helmet. No helmet. Hey, if you can negative prompt MidJourney, right? I haven't done MidJourney prompts in a long time. MidJourney is only $7. How good is Cursor? I have a Laravel Marketplace template I want to rework extensively.
Cursor's fantastic.
Yeah. I know our Code Daddy Deluxe Patty, who's in here right now. He's a windsurf fan.
I'm a windsurf fan, but you know, it's just because I've been using it so much lately. But I'm sure Cursor is going to be out with some really good.
Okay. We're doing good. We're doing good tonight. Saturday night. I don't look at what it does with my face on MidJourney. Do I look like that? Am I just living in denial? He's eating popcorn with a fork. That's unacceptable. This guy. I'm Matt Farmer.
Yeah, how do you make Disney characters, says WTF Leaks.
How do you make AI Disney characters? You'd have to use a model that doesn't care about that. There's definitely models that support it, like more uncensored models that aren't blocked from it. You know, we could try to. We're going to just hit generate on this a million times until we get what we want. Full body. Why not? Okay, then we need to include the OmniReference for it so we can have it look like myself. And then should we crank the creativity up? Let's maybe do that. Let's go to 600. Or that may be the opposite way, but we'll see. Did you try Imagen 4 with a reference? Yeah, I did. It's not that good with a reference. So I did that last stream. It has issues. Here, I could just show you what I did. Don't judge me. I'm just kidding. Judge all you want. So, my library. So if we look at what it did with my image, so this was with an image of me. It wasn't able to do it. You can see I use this image right here. It's not letting me go into it. And it makes me old. And it's offensive. And it seems to start to lack text styling when you push it through. Here's another one. I did a lot of creations here. I tried to see if it could do bar graphs. It can, but they're not accurate. It thought it was me right here. And you can see what happens with Imagen 4 is the text in the background. With the text prompts, they are very good. But when you do an image base, not that good. All right, let's see what we got. Do we have a good reference image? That's kind of funny and offensive. Is there yeah, let's just rerun. I like how my helmet says AI tools. That's actually pretty badass. We may keep this one. Let's do strong variations. Let's do subtle variations. Let's do another strong variation. You know, we're spending credits. Are you even real? Bo, you ask me this every time. Every single time. The answer is no. I'm VO4. Okay, so I think we're just about there. How many credits per text to video? There's not really credits. If you use it in Gemini, I was only able to do 5 generations. And the first one wasn't that good, but we're really getting the prompting down. So the VO5, maybe. I don't want you guys to know. So the prompting, it seems like complex prompts work the best for it, and you really can give it a lot of control. Yeah, we're all just a prompt right now. This whole stream, prompt. How many times do I got to tell you guys? But anyways, we did lots of testing with it. It's a great image generator. And for the price where it's almost free, it's worth it. It's insanely good at text. So I gave it super complex text, like in Follow Mad Farmer AI. It did mess up here. It put another AI in there. So great example, Matt. But here's another one. Most of them, 75%, it's right 100% of the time. Prompt theory is real. Like in Follow Mad Farmer AI, the greatest AI reviewer in all the world. Okay, we have lots of options to choose from now. Except for that option. Look at this offense right here. So we're just trying to find one that we can animate with VO3. This one's pretty good. He's wearing a helmet though. He's sitting on the moon. This guy's, yeah, he's got other problems he has to worry about, sitting on a planet. I look a little bit angry here, but okay, I look weird there. Durr. Yeah, I have to do hyphen no. Maybe we should just go with this one, right? I think this one would be awesome to animate, so we're just going to download that. And then we're going to... This one feels good. Why are they all sitting? Because it's MidJourney, and MidJourney doesn't listen to anything. But how did it know to choose body compression? Yeah. And then we're in a simulation AI created to study humanity at a race spooky. Yeah. Pretty much. You know, Terminator is a prequel to The Matrix. Same author.
Maybe add standing to the prompt.
Oh, Tiff, thank you. Full body, a man. Standing, floating in a spacesuit. Where were you 300 prompts ago with that one? You know you're better than me at this. The MidJourney expert. She is. Okay, I'm going to be standing on something, though. Oh, this one looks good. But I think they're putting helmets on. So we got to try this again. Use text. No helmet. Okay, look at us go. OmniReference. My problem is I use too many different AI tools. Yeah, you're right. You're right on wide angle. Yeah, let's see. Wide angle. OmniReference. Go. How many credits can we use in one day? I'm sure what I could do is I could just use face fusion to face swap it. Let's see. So there's a reflection in his helmet for VO3. Let's see if it understands reflections.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
Oh, man. You can't hate on that. It's so good. Oh, you know what I have to do? I have to remove the... Man, MidJourney prompting just makes everybody angry. V7? Like, get the CEO on the line right now. That's a pretty awesome image, but it's just not me enough. You know what? Let's just get one. Let's get one generating. Floating in space. Here we go. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go frames to video. We're going to just set the first frame. We're going to upload an image. Is it free to use? No. Can someone explain how they're doing the new baby news daddy? Yeah, I have a video on it. Check it out. I did a whole guide. It's in my profile. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. So here, let me just show you. I explain all the tools that you need to use for it. It's just right here. Guide, baby podcast. I go over exactly what they're using for it, even with some options. It's really quite easy. Yeah, 120. Well, it's 5 videos, but it's 5. You get videos in Flow and videos in Gemini. And I can't see them keeping it at 5 videos per day. Let's be serious here, you know? Okay, so crop and save. I don't know why they always make me crop them. It's kind of bull crop. Yeah, am I the one doing it? Yeah, that's me. My bad. But yeah, they're using basically, they just cut his. Did you use Flow yet? Yeah, I'm in Flow. I use Flow and it has VO2. At least we can play around with ingredients when I run out of VO3 prompts, because then we could just do VO2. And I'm pretty sure you get a ton of VO2 now. Okay, let's make sure our prompt's good before we spend my kids' tuition. Okay? Floating in space without a helmet. No, we don't need to do this anymore. Okay, floating in space. Eating popcorn. Looking at the camera and saying, like and follow Matt Farmer AI as he crunches popcorn. He sounds like Matt Farmer AI. This may block me because I say it sounds like me. I just want to see if it magically generates my voice. So you can see we have high. So yeah, image to video works right now. I just can't believe so many people created so many videos with 5 per day. If you look anywhere, it's just unlimited videos everywhere. It's unbelievable. Okay, let's go back to this one. No helmet. Full body. We're going to get rid of standing on that. I think standing can work, but Tiff, you're the master when it comes to like where stuff should be located in the prompt. Bull crop, you say? Sounds like a new app. That would be a good one. We should vibe code that right now.
Yeah, I'm slowly judging you.
Yeah, I bet you are. Top of right of Flow, you have your credit count. People use up their monthly credits probably. I have 19,980. Yeah. So does Flow have unlimited generations until I run out of credits? And how much are credits? Let's take a look. Okay, so I can buy more credits. I can basically, ooh, that's heavy. So if I get 12,000 credits, that's like, yeah, it's expensive. 100 per VOGen. Okay, so that means I get 119 left. 119 videos in a month. That's not bad. That's actually quite good, I think. I use Kling a lot. And I definitely make less than maybe actually. We'll see. It depends how often it's good. And I'm not sure, does Google Gemini count towards it? I don't think it does. So I think you get 5 free. So you get 500 credits free per day in gemini.google.com. And then you get the credit amount in Flow. This is all just speculation, okay? You know, don't sue me if I'm wrong on this one. How long can the clips be? It is 8 seconds. And does it lip sync and audio all at once for you? Okay, so it couldn't generate that video. Yeah, it lip syncs and it... Okay, we're going to copy this. And then we're going to redo it. I think it's because I said like Matt Farmer. And it knows that they got to be careful. Matt Farmer's the greatest influencer of all time. No, just kidding. And he's a litigious influencer. So 8-second clips. Similar to VO2, but they're going to have the extend feature soon. All right, so we're going to generate this. Let's see. Let's see. Because otherwise you need to lip sync tools and audio generation separately. Yeah, I was talking to Hashim Agali, and he's done some amazing videos with this. And what he does is if it's censoring what he wants to do, he'll use Kling, and then he also uses audio. And this isn't a secret. I'm not giving away secrets. He literally at the end of his short film goes over that. But even the VO2 generations, I'm wondering how many credits they cost, because I probably get 1,000 of them per month. And the fact that I could use ingredients in VO2 videos now, insane. Like, of course, this plan doesn't make sense for 99.99% of the population. It makes sense for me, though. I'm going to use every part of it. The YouTube Premium, we're good on that. The 30 terabytes of storage, bam. No, there's no, maybe on the VO2 side. I don't believe so. Not in Flow, at least. Yeah, oh, here it says. Each uses, here's the credit menu. What AI is it? I just arrived. It's a new VO3 model by Google. What's the resolution? You can upscale it to 1080p. So see this one right here. When I go to download, you can either have it an animated GIF or GIF. I'm not sure which one you guys say. I call it GIF. Original size, an actual video, or it can be upscaled to 1080p. But what's it called? DeepMind, the company that made it inside of Google, they said that it supports 4K generations. They just haven't released it yet. What's the name? You need a $125 account in order to use it. It's VO. I'm using it on Google Flow. It can also be used on Gemini, and it's not rolled out to the entire world yet. Yeah, Brian, if you click your icon at the top of the page, it'll show how many credits you've used. All right, so VO2 only takes 10 credits. That gives you 1,000 images per month. It used to be, let me break down the economics for you guys. It used to cost $2.50 for a VO2 generation. That's $2,500 as of like 4 days ago. You would have paid $2,500 for the same thing. And the fast is, VO2 quality uses 100. Are you sure? Because I used quality for it. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, this one was fast. You're right. Is it already available in Europe to try? I'd double check because it wasn't available in Canada last night, but it was this morning. Yeah, 125 is half price for 3 months, then it goes to 250. And I think based off the AI credit pricing, if we take a gander at it, for the $269.99, they'll probably increase the credits when the amount goes up. Yeah, in 6 months it'll be free. They're really just absolutely rinsing me right now, but that's fine. That's what we're here for. Oh, our video is done. All right, now the premiere. Let's go. So we basically used an image that we generated with MidJourney. Jeez, what is it? Look at how offensive. Yeah, Flow is running in Canada now. Papa K-Dog. Heck yeah. So it thinks that I'm about 300 pounds more than current weight. This one's not that bad. A little bit weird though. This one's actually really good, but I think I'm wearing the helmet for it. I have a small, I guess in a spacesuit. Yeah, it literally just, I've been trying to hack my way around it for days, and it worked this morning. I was about to just start wiring money everywhere, setting up a bunch of accounts for it. So anyways, premiere of the video. You've seen it here first. Let's go. Okay. Didn't generate sound. You know what that means? We got to try it again. You know what? We're going to prompt improve this one. Let's go. Maybe, do I have sound tiff? Anybody in TeamSpeak?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Coming in
Okay.
good.
Thought, he says mid-chew with a grin.
Didn't someone say not to use quotations?
No, that's so you don't have the stuff at the bottom. We'll try it all. We're going to use all credits tonight. No, we're not going to use all credits. We could, technically. In space, there is no sound. Sharky, you are 100% correct on that. So it is accurate. There's no sound in space. If anything,
Wow.
if it made sound, we would know it's crap. Because he's not wearing a helmet either. This other guy
Interesting.
right here was wearing a helmet.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
Oh, adding a sound effect. Well, we just prompt improved it. So I found this GPT for it. I didn't know if it's any good. So far, everything I've created with it is good. I was feeling ambitious. I was like, you know what? This stream, we're going to make our own GPT. Probably not. Let's be serious. We're just going to generate videos and use other people's GPTs. Hey, Matt, what you say? VO3 worth buying? Depends who you are and why you want to use it. If you're a marketer, probably. If you're a content creator, definitely. If you make movies, after you're done crying, maybe. Yeah, VO2, honestly, just for the 1,000 VO2, and the fact that we could use ingredients in them now, you guys have no idea how much I'm going to abuse this. We can make 1,000 VO2 videos now, or at least on fast mode. I guess this one was on quality. So, and it doesn't really tell us. Even if it's 100, that's still a pretty good deal. So whisk, you can see all this stuff. So it actually takes 10 per image. This was on flow, a refund. But yeah, this is good. I'm not sure if quality is required for ingredients, but who cares? If I can get them for 10 each, you guys have no idea how much I'm going to abuse this. I don't even care if the audio doesn't work. I could always put it in another video generator or something and just get the audio to work. We could sync it up other ways. We could use something free like Face Fusion. Not sure if you guys have ever used Face Fusion. It's probably one of the best face swappers that you don't have to pay for. It's open source. So this one, we're on labs.google/fx/tools/flow/project/DCA21624-D11D. No, I'm kidding. We're on Google Labs for this. You need an Ultra account in order to do it. The Ultra accounts are very expensive, but they're pretty unbelievable. So we tried. Oh, the prompt is already done. Okay. Oh, it changed. It pulled a... This is kind of funny. Is there no sound for it? That's actually pretty good. It changed the image, though, which is a little bit weird. It's probably the prompt that I put into it. I just don't know why. Let me see if the original has sound. Because for some reason, when you add a start frame, it's not letting you generate sound. So I may be doing it wrong. Okay. So let's actually read this prompt before we paste it in. Not before, as we paste it in. So subject, close up. Action. He grabs a floating kernel of popcorn with a grin. Visual text, crisp cinematic, comedy aesthetic, dim lighting on the face. No, we don't need any visuals. Audio. Maybe I'll add the sound effect like you said. Radio. What do you call it? Static. Slight radio static. Slight radio static. So it's possible that the frames to video doesn't generate sound. It says it does. So let's take a gander. There's no VO3 in Europe. Wow, trying VO3 right now. You're an absolute legend. You already got VO2. You're like, you know what? $125? Whatever. We're going to generate ourselves out of this debt. Eating popcorn through the helmet. Yeah. That's pretty impressive, to be honest. I think it's because I added all the visual stuff to it. And like you said, I may not be able to use quotes for it. We may have to buy more credits by the end of the month. So, yeah. Okay, I'm getting attacked by a bug right now. What is going on? Have you been able to get consistent clips? I've seen people getting consistent clips with it. Hashim Al-Ghali, he's a crazy content creator. He basically had a whole consistent world basing it off an image. So you could do image generations. If you look right here, I know putting it in quotes added it to the bottom, which was a little bit weird. I don't know if his prompts are insane. They probably are. He's insanely talented, so definitely possible. We're going to have to see if we can actually do audio with this one. I think it's also because I said close up of his face. Poland is with you. Bro, I love how you say hello from Poland on every single social media. I just laugh. It's great. I check Facebook. It's like, hello from Poland. Thanks for the heart. VO3 with image works with audio, but not all the time with specific speech. All right. Well, we're just going to burn credits until we get that.
Ikuye.
Ikuye? Is that how you say it?
Ikuye. Yeah, it's Polish. Hello. I know a little bit of Polish.
You know a little bit of Polish?
In case I was misinformed about the actual meaning.
Yeah, they taught you some horrible things.
But yeah, actually, I play soccer regularly at the Polish club, so I'm with the Polish.
Yeah, you're getting trolled for sure. I feel like the generations are getting slower. Oh, this one looks like it could be good. It put it at the bottom again, so maybe it's the actual quotes. Actually, no, let's get this. Audio. He says, like and follow Matt Farmer AI. Mid-chew with a grin. I'm starting to believe that maybe it doesn't generate sound when you use an image. It's possible. How we doing on credits? Tons. We're good all night. You know what? We should do another AI gymnastics. Let me get the last prompt that I used. Okay, so we're going to do it without frame to video. We're going to do text to video. Make sure we're on the new model. because it likes to be gypsy like that. We're trying the new, most disruptive AI video platform that just launched by Google, VO3. It's using Google Flow, so it's like a video generator with a bunch of features to it. We're just trying to see if we can get image to video to actually work. We're able to, on the older model, get it. Here's an example of it working.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely. I have no idea why he keeps prompting me.
So here's another. They did Microsoft SAM for this one.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
So that one was a bit weird. But we did do a pretty good one right here.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
Give me the thing.
I'm lonely.
I don't think we want a close-up of his face. I think we want it zooming in on his face. Okay, let's go. So, astronaut, blah, blah, blah. Full body of the full body astronaut. Speaks directly to the viewer, so the action, visual style, camera movement, slow pushing up to the helmet. Okay, let's try that one. Ask Gemini to create a prompt for you for VO3 with audio and everything. I should. All right. Let's do a new chat. Need to make a prompt for VO3, image to video with audio. Here is my prompt. Okay, we're gonna grab this one right here. It is not generating the audio. Fix it. VO3, how much? I think I paid like 125 American for it per month. Oh, it's interesting. It didn't use full quotations for this one. We're going to try this with a reference one. So let's do frames to video. We'll use this frame. Actually, first, let's see if we got it to work. So we had this one not work. No sound. And then this one. It doesn't want to make him talk. That's pretty good, though. I wish I let you change the volume. That was loud. Okay, we have the gymnastics. Let's see if AI can finally do gymnastics.
And she lands it perfectly.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
And she lands it perfectly.
So AI has not mastered gymnastics yet. That's the hardest test for it. I've seen good fighting scenes, though. With slight radio static. So we know we can do image with audio. It seems to be somewhat on and off. So let's see. $100 a month is a lot for just practicing on. Oh, D10 Dev. Geez, you just hit me with so many gifts. Popular vote from Poland. Appreciate you. Let's go. Let's go. It's generating. Okay, so we got a new one. Let's test this one out. This was using the proper one. Let's go. It's not playing. Play. 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 Sometimes web UIs do this. We're just going to hit refresh on it. Okay.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
That's pretty good.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
It has a weird sound in there, but it's still pretty good. All right. Let's go. Okay, we may have to refresh it to see the previous one that we just did. Did we just lose that one to the abyss? I'm sure once it generates, it's going to properly work. What's another test that we want to do? I'm trying to learn TikTok. I think I auto-fired 10. That's funny. Tiff, you should give me an image that you want me to animate. Yes? Yes, no, maybe? One sec. We need water. Let's go.
What kind of image?
I don't know, one that you want audio on. Maybe one of your images. We could always make her like sing or something. A reminder, drink water.
Which one to choose.
Do an AI video about needing water. Well, that's what you got to do. You got to find one.
I guess I could just send you one that I made today.
Here, do it. Okay, we need a good base image. So, man sitting on a planet made out of popcorn, eating popcorn. Let's go. I should do a We Need Water video. You are right. You're definitely right on that one. Let's see if this other one's loaded yet. Oh, we got the new one. Let's hope. Come on, fingers crossed.
Whatever is apart. So if that's done the bride, I don't want to flee the fur and the Peter still left awake. Do shot of Zuking Dean, whatever is apart.
I look a bit intense eating the popcorn.
So if that's done.
Sitting in front of my PC. I have Pro subscription. I can't generate with... No, you can't do it with Pro. What do you think about Whisk? Whisk is good. I like it as an AI image generation platform. I was just showing it off. I don't think they do good reference images yet. Like this was with a picture of me. I can do it with Pro. There's no way you can do it with Pro, really? You can do it with Pro. So I spent all this money. Are you sure it's VO3? Because I tried it earlier and it was just VO2. Does Whisk have video? Oh, yeah, Whisk does have video. Let me see if I can... How do I start a new one? You know how we start a new one? We just go like this. Enter tool. It's weird that they'd limit you on Gemini. I guess they don't charge for it. No videos. Oh, you have to animate an image to make an actual video with it. So a man in a spacesuit. I think it uses VO too though. Loading with a galaxy background. How long is the video that you could generate? It's 8 seconds long. So far, the text to video seems to work the best. Okay. So even MidJourney's creating these. Okay. I went ahead and got Ultra. Oh my god. It's worth it.
Peter still left awake. Do shout them so you can gain whatever user cars.
Okay, let's see where it actually did this. He grins dialogue mid-chew with slight radio static. Another loud popcorn crunch after the dialogue, camera slow. So it didn't quite get it on that side. Adam, what's up, brother? How you doing? I got
I'll
it.
send you an image
Oh, where?
on Discord.
Okay. No, you can do 5 per day for free on gemini.google.com, and this one's credit based. So it's 100 credits per, and you get, I think, like 125 generations. Which AI gives the longest video? There's ones that have extend. This will have extend eventually. From my understanding, they have extend on VO2 right now. Let me see if I'm able to do it. So we do this one, and then I add to the scene. And then from my understanding, which is very little, yeah, you can extend. So see, let's say I put it in here. So I think you pretty much get unlimited extend with it. So there's me eating popcorn. What I could do is go plus extend, and it extends the clips. I don't know how many times I'm able to do extend. Maybe unlimited. With Flow, you can generate free Imagen 4 pictures without subscription. Oh, really? That must be US only, though, because Flow is really limited without the Ultra plan on it. So we're going to see how this extension's going. While this loads, we're going to try to create some more images. You know what I want to do? So, man laying down in a bed of popcorn, arms out. I'm going to see if I could do snow angels with popcorn. I just about lost it when Gemini told me I maxed out after 6 videos. Yeah. I thought it was really limited too, but Flow seems to be unlimited. Well, unlimited. You need to use credits for it. Man laying down in bed, popcorn. Oh, we need to add the image reference for it. So we're going, what have I done? Okay. We're going to put it to the OmniReference. We're going to use this image. We're going to bring this back down. And then we are farmers. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Yeah, we do need the API. Oh, thanks for the cats, Poland. Well, you technically can get unlimited with Flow. Flow has unlimited. But yeah, with API is going to make life a lot easier. I honestly think looking at the cost per credit, it's probably going to be the same price, about $250 per video. What's the best free unlimited video generator? On my way. Thanks for the heart. You would have to run something locally on your computer, like WAN 2.1, and you'd need quite a good computer for it. I don't think there's any that just give you free. Yeah, WAN 2.1. Hunyan has one too. It's pretty good, but yeah, let's if we look at the price, so they show you what the prices are for credits. So yeah, with Flow, you get this. High quality VO3 is 80 number of videos offered up to 83. So I don't think it's been charging me 150 each, maybe. So yeah, it's 10 each for fast VO, which is 1200 videos. Crazy. Quality videos, it is only 100. And the odd part is, like, these are saying, so this still hasn't extended. It definitely takes a little bit of time. Let's see. That's actually pretty awesome. I don't know where I got Starry Night from. A local API is just as good as online. No, you're not going to get state of the art. Do I use Imagen? Yeah, a bit. So let's try some variations of this one, and then we'll just try to do it again and see what happens. So we're going to add my image to the wrong one. OmniReference. If MidJourney had prompted here, it's game over. You like that or Comfy UI more? For images, Comfy UI is better. Which one you recommend to install on PC? WAN 2.1, but you need a really good video card for it. That's the downside. Which app do you think will do what VO3 does next, but cheaper? Probably Kling. What video card? I have a 4090, and it can do it. But I believe they support video cards as low as 8 gigabyte memory right now. Does a 5090 Ti even exist? I thought they just released the 5090. 5090 Ti isn't a thing. Is it? There's no way. Yeah, only 5090. 5090 Ti doesn't exist. Could you show how to install WAN without Pinocchio? That's actually quite hard to do. So it's the 5090. Yeah, the 5090 is awesome. I bet WAN 3.0 will be the next number one that passes VO3. I wouldn't say 5090 is not as good as 4090. No, the 5090 is better than a 4090 because it has a lot more memory. Is this ever going to extend? So extending a clip seems to take a crazy amount of time. Okay, we created more images. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's actually hilarious. I kind of like this one. It makes me look a little bit weird, but we're fine with that. All right, we're just going to leave that one. Let's frames to video a new one. Upload. Crop and save. Because I do a lot of gaming and 3D rendering. Yeah, that's a good reason. I do a lot of gaming as well. Let's say doing a snow angel, but with popcorn, looks at the camera and says, let's see, like and follow Matt Farmer AI. Is that good? Yeah, I use NVIDIA Eye Contact. It's from NVIDIA Broadcast. I'm using VO3 right now, the new video generator from Google. Oh man, it's already 12:31. That's crazy. Could you generate popcorn as walking with Matt under the water? You mean like a popcorn person? Maybe. Give me some more details. This one should be interesting. Well, let's see if we can do it. Why not, right? So under the, and Tiff, I still owe you that video. I'm gonna do yours next. It's okay to pull an all-nighter. No, I have to go to a ultrasound tomorrow. I was playing Delta until I saw you using VO2. Now I'm trying. That's awesome. Man underwater walking with a man made out of popcorn. Holding hands. Why not, right? Okay, let me get my Discord going. All right, Tiff, what do you want this? It has to be 16 by 9. I could crop
Oh
it.
no. No, I'm creating a new prompt.
Okay, create a new one, but make sure it's 16 by 9.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. This one was quick. Doing a snow angel, but with popcorn. Looks at the camera and says, like and follow Matt Farmer AI. It didn't do any audio for it. I think it could. Oh, this was under fast. What have I done? No wonder it didn't work. At least that only cost me 10 credits. Blood owl. Why would you use this instead of one of the free local image generators? They're not quite as good for reference. I could set one up. I honestly like Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra better, and I should really just make a LoRa for it. I had a LoRa for a bit. It messes up with my hat and everything, though, because it's not too good at text. What's up, Iggy? How do you record the website footage when you review a website to look so cool, like B-roll? If you're talking like this, I'm using OBS right now. So you can do, if OBS, I'm using TikTok Live with OBS for my actual videos. What I'll do is normally make a video and then just, why don't you run models locally? I do, but I default to state-of-the-art models, which I pay for. Do you have a YTube channel? Yes, I do. But I don't do long form videos. I do my same shorts. If Anthropic made VO, sorry, too many popcorn kernels in the scene. But yeah, I'm going to start doing longer form videos. I'm actually going to start uploading my lives too at the same time. So you can actually watch the previous lives. And the thing is, this is good content. How did you meet your wife? I met my wife on a video game called Counter-Strike Source, back before online dating was really a thing. We met, we talked for a while, and then we actually
I shot
met
him
in
in
real
the
life.
face, and he
Yeah. So you vouch for the $250 a month plan? It's good. It depends what you're doing. It really depends. Like for me as a content creator, it makes 100% sense. And it's not that expensive right now. It's only $125 a month, and you get a lot of features for it. So you get Gemini. So you get 5 free generations from gemini.google.com. You get their latest models on here. You get 30 terabytes of drive space, which is amazing. My plan before only gave me 2 terabytes because I do a lot of media and back my stuff up. It's pretty useful for me. And you get YouTube Premium. Making a visual pitch pack for a TV series should be... So if you're making a visual pitch pack for a TV series, then potentially, yeah, this is great for you. Am I wrong if I say you did TikTok videos on OBS years ago? Yeah, I've always done it on OBS. I basically just apply my green screen. So this is all I do. I make myself the full screen, and then I do a background replacement with my green screen. I take off my headphones. So if you look, here's me without any background. I do have a redundant green screen. It stops, like, sometimes there's artifacts in the background. So this is like technically my studio. Sorry, in YouTube teaching OBS. Yeah. But here we go. Background removal. And we're back. What console did you play Counter-Strike on? PC. PC, of course. Let's see if this one added sound.
I had Counter-Strike on Xbox too.
Counter-Strike on Xbox? That's blasphemy.
I think it was on Xbox.
No, I thought it was on PlayStation.
I think it was Xbox.
Maybe.
Great though. It was fun.
That's fantastic.
Dust, I think. Just Dust.
Can you share the tools you use for coding? I like Lovable for vibe coding, and then I'd have to say Windsurf. Morning Whisper. But yeah, Lovable is my preferred, like, quick front end. There's a lot of really good ones. There's UWare is very good. I did a review for them. And Magic Patterns. Does it feel like it is you? I could see myself in this situation. It's the only reason why it doesn't look like it's me is because I use MidJourney. Matt, I love what you post. Absolutely interesting news. Thanks. Appreciate that. Put a lot of effort into it. I actually have to work on a post tonight, which is crazy. It's getting late. My top 4 favorite AI documentaries. They're so good. Highly recommend. But yeah, it would look more like me if we look at the actual physics for it. So let's look at the physics. Like, let's see how the popcorn actually does. It's fantastic. So you see all the movement is almost perfect. If Sora tried to do this, if you tried to do this, you know what? Let's compare it to OpenAI Sora. I'll show you what the difference is. How big of a difference this is. Unless they come out with Sora 2 magically, which is possible. And then I have another $200 a month plan. So let's hope that doesn't happen. So let's do an image. We're going to upload from device. We're going to use the same image. And we're going to give it the exact... Okay, something went wrong. ChatGPT's been doing this to me lately. Has anyone else had this problem where it's like you try to upload an image and it doesn't allow you to? But then you upload it again and it's fine? So, this should be doing video. Aspect ratio. 3:2, I guess. So, this should be doing video. 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 Image. Well, he's not going to be able to look at the camera and say anything. So let's remix it and see what happens. Added to my queue. Image. Oh, it's because I didn't select video. Oh. Okay, we're trying this again. We don't care about Sora credits. Let's do 720p. 16:9 so it fits. I can't do, unless I do a smaller resolution, then I could do 10 seconds. Let's try it. Variations 2. Bam. It has some problem, ChatGPT. Yeah. Is ChatGPT? Yeah, ChatGPT could make video. Be back in 15 minutes walking the dog. Don't finish, please. Yeah, the sound is good. What do you believe is the best way to do an avatar or something similar from a picture lip sync? The best way right now, so while we wait for this to generate, is something called Dreamina by CapCut, dreamina.capcut.com. It's honestly perfect lip sync. So you can see, like,
hello, I'm a dog and I dislike other dogs.
Oh, what's it doing?
Thank you for having me. Hello, I'm a dog and I dislike other dogs. Thank you for having me on your podcast.
It depends what kind of character you're doing. Non-human characters are really good on Dreamina, and even human characters. If you want it to be realistic like an avatar, Imagen is great. But yeah. So at least we got, maybe it's because we put the sound in here. So I'm going to take this prompt again. Looks at the, I'm going to put this first. So it was able to do it and say and says. We're going to do it without any of the quotations. More like a covered face and a shadow. Dreamina would probably be better. Imagen does a really good job for pure human characters of like doing this kind. How did you make the galactic background? This one that's in my stream right now. I actually purchased this one a long time ago when I first started streaming. So if you see it, it's technically an end screen. So if I get rid of Chrome, it says stream is ending. But I use it for my videos too. You could buy like streaming backgrounds and stuff. And I like this one. I use it all the time. So highest quality audio. Kenneth, thank you for the rose. But yeah, it's there's another good one out too called Hedra. And it does more body movements. This one can do, so Dreamina is really good at stuff like music videos. No, I haven't seen Wicked. I heard it's a musical, and I'm more of a documentary guy. Spent all day AI video and images by his background. Yeah. Whisper, thanks for the cap. What resolution have video? Oh, Marcin, what's up? So the if you're talking about Dreamina, I don't know what the resolution is. Oh geez. This one's really loud. But here's it doing a music video.
We own the bar with thrifts and cheers in a 4.5, brought our darkest fears.
Let me know if that's too loud, because that's so loud for me. It's deafening. But yeah, Hedra is also good. It does a bit more body movement, and it can do non-character movement. I would try, honestly, for if you want an avatar where it's like part of a face, etc. Then it's either Dreamina or Hedra. They're best for non-character. Another good one is Lemon Slice, lemonslice.com. It's a bit cheaper, and it allows way longer generations. It's more just kind of lip movement. It's still a great option, though. Okay, we're up to 72% on this one. Oh, you're the expert. Have you done any on text-to-speech, multilingual, and open source? Yes. Fish Audio is the best. So even if you want to pay for Fish Audio, they have more advanced features. Fish Audio is great. It's the only one that's been able to clone my voice almost perfect with the inflections for my videos, because you have different types of talking. Like when I talk to you guys right now, it's different because when I do a video, for some reason, I just yell, and there's a lot of inflection, so it doesn't, it's not the best for it. But Fish Audio has an open source. Can it run on Preem? I don't know. It has an API, and it has unlimited. It's like $20 a month, but unlimited usage for it. I'm currently premium, so I can't see. Unlimited generations in web, pay-as-you-go API. In Poland, I don't have access. Dreamina and VO3, this is sad. Well, they just opened up access for Canada. I didn't have access before for VO3. I got it today. Now, everyone says use a VPN. It didn't work for me. I tried with the VPN. I tried with the virtual number. I tried with a friend's phone number who's in the US. I tried with a friend's credit card. I've tried with my PayPal. I tried with everything. And it was an absolute nightmare. There is ways around it, but yeah. It just popped up that I could pay for it. And I freaked out. I was just like, I grabbed my wallet and I'm like, oh my God, take my money. Take it. Oh, take the money. I love how my only US currency I have in here is dollars. I have $3 in US currency. The rest is Canadian. Canadian money's weird. It's like European. But yeah, I got it. And I was pumped. All right, let's see if this one works. Moment of truth. No, this was the one from before, wasn't it? I think it's the same generation. I don't know. I swear I put one in here. Let's see what Sora did. So, okay. So we saw how good it was with VO3. So VO3 by Google, state of the art, it's the best one. I did the exact same image in Sora. So let's look at it again. Oh, it's another silent one. Yeah, it's still having issues on speech when it uses images. We could do text to video though, and it'll be a lot better. So we'll try one. But Sora, look, check this out. Same prompt. Absolutely terrifying. What is going on? Sora just does not care. Yeah, VPN isn't a go. I've tried it. So Sora, if we compare it to VO3, not at the same level. Here's another one, Sora. It feels like I'm fighting a popcorn monster. In this one, you can see the physics are completely cooked. I could let talk my creatures, maybe. But the image to video isn't working that well on VO3. Like, it'll work, but just for creating the actual audio that's dialogue, it doesn't seem to work. We've tried it. We've got close on it. I think this one.
Left the wake. Two shot.
No, this one was weird.
Whatever user cars. So the that's done the broad. I don't want to flee the fur.
And this was text to video.
Two shot.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space. I'm lonely.
That's so good.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
No, it's not just working in USA, it's in Canada now too. So yeah, Sora doesn't have the data set for sure. Google has all the data sets. Not like my money's on Google 1,000% in the AI race. If I could put money on it, Google all day. They not only have all the internet history, they have all of YouTube, but they also have usage data on all of their platforms. So when it comes to training agents, they have the data set that nobody else has. OpenAI doesn't have usage data. They have exact how people have been using their platforms, how they've been using their phones too at the same time. Think about it. Like how much data that they actually have. Unbelievable. Here, let's hybrid some prompts together here. Let's go back to this one. Okay, so we're going to put this in a prompt generator, and then we're going to try to get this one to work just with a text generation. Matt Farmer AI. We're going to put this in quotations. This GPT seems to have worked quite well for me. How am I sharing my screen? I use OBS. So I could do, well, I was going to show you that I can move myself around, but I guess I can't. Oh, here we go. So I can move everything. Or I could take over. Yeah, pretty crazy. Yeah, honestly, GPT is a bit better than MidJourney. If anything, I should have just used ChatGPT to generate the actual video itself. Okay, let's read these. A man in casual clothes, graphic tee, and pajama pants laying on a king-size bed completely filled with gold and fluffy popcorn. Blah, blah, blah. Whimsical photorealism. Whatever. Let's put this one in. Let's make sure we're on the right model. Look at that. They defaulted me to the wrong one. We're going to push it through. How many credits we got? Okay. We've used a lot. Never use, and then tweak the picture with a Python script. That's a good way of doing it. 4.0 image generation is good enough. How many credits do you get? You get like 100 or 12,500, but it's 500 per image. There's here I have the credits here of how many you get per month. So you get 150 generations per month for the $125. But they made the cost of VO2 Fast so cheap. You do 1,250 images with VO2 Fast. And they added new features to it. So you could add like ingredients and stuff. So you can put multiple images together and create a video, which is nuts. How you doing?
Good. I'm just upscaling it right now.
Nice. So yeah, we've came to the conclusion that this absolutely destroys Sora. You could buy additional credits too if you look at the price. It's in Canadian peso though. So a little bit expensive, but not too bad. So 5,000 credits, 50 videos for $67. It's expensive. Hey, Matt, just passing, but I love your work. Keep it up, man. Thanks. Thanks, Evil. Appreciate that. And Marston, the donut. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. By the way, I've been watching your videos lately. They're great.
I sent it. That's horrible.
That's not horrible. That's sick. I'm going to see if I can make her sing. So what we're going to do here is frames to video. We're going to add in Tiff's image that she just sent me. Which, where did it download to? Save image. Oh, here we go. Save. Then we're going to hit this again. This and then this. There we go. Eating popcorn and singing. What kind of, what's like a Disney song? Like how would you describe a Disney song? ChatGPT, help me out. How would you describe a Disney song? Make it short. 2 sentences max. Does it work good? Yeah, it's I've had some amazing generations from it. No, make it 1 sentence. Don't use Disney in the sentence. Oh, I'm using O3 to do this. Okay, here we go. Singing a catchy orchestral melody with heartfelt lyrics, speaking childlike wonder and inspiring dreams. Okay. That's absolutely beautiful. Okay. All right. So we did the one where we just did a text generation, which is a lot better for the audio. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, GPT don't like using Disney. Yeah, they don't. Nothing does. Is this Korea? No, this is Flow by Google. We're testing out VO3. Oh, it's because I put a music track in the background. Here, we're going to try another one. We are burning credits. Oh, it didn't have the text in it. No wonder it didn't work. Okay, that wasn't its fault. That was mine. All right, Matt. Have a lovely day or evening. I'll look later into those. Come back. Peace. All right. Thanks for joining. Thanks for the gifts. Appreciate you. Expensive month. Yeah, it's not a cheap month. This stream is sponsored by water. I need a popcorn sponsor.
This is his most expensive month.
Yeah, no doubt.
3 birthdays.
3 birthdays. New expensive video generator. Oh. I'll never financially recover. Yeah, it's the month of the broke bank. Pretty much. And I had to get a dental operation done, and that was expensive too. Oh my God. I've been crushed. Oh, speaking of that, I may have to move my dental appointment. We'll see. You can expense the softwares, right? Yeah, I can. You keep up one day more. Yeah, give some roses and I survive another day.
And he's going on a business trip next week.
Yeah, I got to go to Mexico.
He said he wasn't going to travel, so he's like, I'll buy you anything. Under $500.
Yeah, to bribe my wife. Oh. That's helpful. Create the next box office hit. Yeah, I should fund a whole movie with roses and galaxies. Okay, here we go. Here's your generation, Tiff. I have no idea how well it's going to work.
I'm scared. Better
Eating
not be
popcorn.
bad.
It doesn't have her singing.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
Look how it
how is
zooms
it?
out.
It's possible I hear someone. That's my wife. I'm talking to her on. We live in the same house, but we communicate via internet. No, I'm kidding. But she's just on her computer right now. Thanks, Ghost. You're helping fund this financially ruining month. Yeah, that's my wife. She's not AI.
I'm in his head.
Yeah. And we also have Patty here too.
Hello.
He's awake. Jeez.
Yeah, it's getting pretty late.
Oh, this video's not playing. I may have to
4
hit
a.m.
refresh.
Go to bed, Patty.
Yeah, I will.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI.
I don't know why I did the chewing sound.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI.
That's pretty good.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI.
I like how he kept the popcorn in his hair the whole time. Yeah, this is VO3. Crazy. All right. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, the mouths. I have to cut out that sound. I could always just cut it. It makes it funny. Chomp, chomp, chomp. It's true. See, I'm going to use these. I'll put these on like my story and stuff. They'll be good. All right, let's get rid of some of these tabs here. I'm going to try yours again, Tiff, with a different prompt. So, singing and eating popcorn as the camera slowly zooms out.
Maybe you should type what she's singing.
Well, it has issues with lyrics and stuff, but maybe we have to learn the prompt mastery of this. And we will. And I'll teach you guys.
You enter it too fast. Wasting all your credits.
I know I do. But I still have 10,860 left. Not bad. What do you get if you do an animation of yourself as a cartoon eating popcorn? I could probably do it. ChatGPT would honestly be the best spot to do that. And then I could animate from there. So let's try it. So what we're going to do, aspect ratio 16:9. Eating popcorn in space with a galaxy background. We have to add the image again because the first time never works for some reason, ChatGPT. Let's go. Try maybe more scenario like person singing lyricist. Yeah, that's probably a good way to do it. Oh, why do I keep using O3? I'm wasting all my prompts. I need those for medical reasons. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Singing and eating popcorn as the camera slowly zooms out. Oh, I didn't put any sound to it. It's really good, though. It's really good. Any other generator, I'd be like, oh my God, this is crazy. But expectations are high now.
The way she's chewing. Cringe.
Is it cringe? Let's see. Kind of how I chew.
She's got some sass.
Yeah. Doesn't give a single F. An F key. All right, here we go. Oh, I forgot to make it a cartoon. I'll make it into a cartoon after. Get ready for it. All right, let's get it going now. Now, make it into a cartoon. Crocodilio Bombadilio. Okay. So, we can't... Cat rune. Cartoon. Okay, we're getting that done. Let's do an angel, an angle, an angel floating in space with a galaxy background, singing a song about popcorn while holding a popcorn bucket. We're going to prompt enhance this one. Prompt enhance 5000. Blood owl. There we go. Dang, we got 19k likes. Look at us go. Oh, Phoenix. Thanks for the hat. Absolute legend. Okay, this one's good. It even made lyrics for it. So that may be the key. Oh, we got to go text to video. What are we doing? Okay, we don't want emojis in it. I'm going to make my own GPT for this and give it to you guys, okay? So this is a pretty good one. Let's make sure it goes to the right model. And we generate. How did you prompt your GPT for VO? I just found a GPT called VO 3.0 Flow Prompt Generator plus voices and sounds. There's not many users on this one. There's not many that exist. I was going to make my own. I just wanted to test with it. So I'm using some that are just publicly available on ChatGPT. But there's definitely better ones that you can get. And I'll probably just, like I said, I'll make my own that is better. Poland, popular vote. Appreciate you. Okay, we're at 19%. And I'm not sure if you guys saw earlier, but we also did, we did it in Gemini too. So we did a bunch of different prompts for it, and they actually turned out really good.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI.
So good. This is just going to get better. Then we have the snowman. Okay. You can auto pause when I scroll. You know that? This one was good.
I have no idea why he keeps prompting me in the middle of space.
I'm lonely.
That's so good. Then we did this one.
I have no idea why he keeps
It didn't quite
prompting.
work. So we did the prompt generator, and it worked a lot better.
Like and follow Matt Farmer AI.
How can we see next year difference between real and AI? We won't be able to. We're not going to be able to tell the difference. Like, even with enough prompt skill, I'm lonely. I like how he says it off radio. I'm lonely. I don't want them to know, but I'm lonely. Yeah, so $50 for 5,000 credits would equal 50 videos for $50 US. So $1 a video. It's cheaper than VO2 was. Can you do a prompt on a biblical verse? I could try it. Is there a certain one? Like, who do you want saying it? Like a preacher?
I've got one actually, but I don't want to step on this guy. So
No. We'll do the both, Patty. We got credits. We're living for now, not for later. Okay, let's see. Close up of an angel smiling warmly, blah, blah, blah. Let's see.
Yeah, Amber's.
Okay, let's try it. Hallowed by the name. Curious if they let us make everything also horror, because I think we get sick stuff. I think they limit violence. You have to use Cling for that. I tried to do a speech by Pope, not specifying Pope, and it rejected the attempt. Why can't I play this one? Why? Okay, let's hit refresh again. We're going to keep hitting refresh until this works.
Popcorn dreams in zero G, buttered gold and floating free. Popcorn dreams in zero G, buttered gold and floating free. Popcorn.
What is the video AI generator for music video in realism? I used Dreamina for it. I did a Dreamina one. It wasn't the most real. If you used a realistic image to start with, you could do it. Dreamina by CapCut, dreamina.capcut.com. But here's the example of it. Why did it change the volume?
With riffs and cheers, Suno 4.5 brought our darkest fears. Pro plan's cheap, $10 for fame. We're reading scraps, it's a sad game.
I just specified the clothes worn by him. That's a good way to do it. All right. So that was a pretty good one. So let's put in the prompt generator. A priest doing a sermon on AI video generation being the devil. Why not? Let's see what it generates. He wears code. They said it was art. They said it was creation, but it speaks with no soul. This is probably going to be a good one. Let's see how fast we can get banned from our new $125 plan. That's funny. Let's go. I want to see the other ones it generated. Repent or be rendered obsolete. No, I want it to actually say AI video generators are the devil in a southern accent. Okay, let's see. I don't even know what's going on here. Oh, you know what happened? I'm a noob. I didn't change it. What are you doing, Matt? They're all judging you in chat now. Okay. Now we're going to try this one as well. Double generations for double the fun. Let's see how many credits we've been through. Ooh. You try the ingredients function. I don't have access to that one. Yeah, I did. It only does VO2 though. So I added a picture of myself floating in space without a helmet, wearing his hat, the reference, eating popcorn. So and this was just a picture of me. Fantastic for ingredients. They can't do VO3 for ingredients, so there's no sound. but the ingredients are probably some of the best that I've seen. So if you look at like what the actual quality is for it and how it kept me consistent to what I actually look like, none of this MidJourney crap makes me look like this. Like I got it, like makes me look like this. That's okay. Makes me look like this, you know? Oh, we got the water one. This is actually kind of cool and creepy at the same time. I don't know why it made me look so old. This is actually really good. Okay, let's do a variation and a strong variation to see if it can make me look a little bit better. Every time I open my wallet, a tool comes out. Yeah, I feel sorry for anybody who buys annual plans. You watching you when eating too much pop. That's a good idea, actually. What's the best AI image generation in your opinion? It depends what you're looking to do. If you want to merge images together, something like ChatGPT is best, where like if you want to use a reference image, I don't regret Pika though. Yeah, me either. Pika's awesome. So if you're looking to just almost like Photoshop with images, 4.0 image generation from ChatGPT is good. Leonardo, very good too. At the same time, Leonardo.ai. MidJourney's good, but it'll never listen to what you actually want to prompt it. So that's a factor. Has anyone used Google Flow? Google Flow's right here. It's what we're doing live. Broadcasting live. Meta AI is actually super good at keeping the face and adding stuff very fast. I don't find it's the best. If you guys want me to try it right now, meta.ai. So I've tested it and I had issues with it. So here's one where we did a priest talking about AI. You're on camera, sir. Yeah. Okay, ready? Let's go.
They said it was art. They said it was creation. But it speaks with no soul. They said it was art. They said it was creation. But it speaks with no soul. They said it was art.
That's actually really good. Okay, now let's try this one. In your opinion, what could I be looking AI to take advantage of in this new AI generation? It depends what, for you, I think is because you're DJ Amberleaf. So I'm guessing you like music. Just even for concept music and everything, like just look to see how your workflow goes. You could generate image like videos for your actual music and generate music videos and get lots of followers from it. Can VO3 do consistent characters? Not in the normal sense. You could do image to video, so you could generate the image with another generator and then keep the character. It's just the name. It depends what you do, what you want to do with it. You could there's an AI use case for everybody and everything. Like for me, I'm using AI to manage my schedule for I had a tooth extraction that got dry socket. So I literally have it managing what I have to do daily right now. So if you look at tooth pain management, I have a full schedule for my day of everything that I have to take. So it's like it started at noon. We slept in a little bit, okay? Don't judge me. It's Saturday. It was Saturday. But like for example, I broke down everything. It even told me when I had to go to the dentist, and it was so dead on for it. We got to view this one though. The first one, this one, very good. Sweaty priest. I want to create a visual Bible. You definitely could. There's generators good enough to do that. I'd probably use ChatGPT for it.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
Are the devil?
Let me tell y'all right now.
Oh, it's because it capitalized
AI
it.
video generators
creation.
are the devil.
Amen.
Let me tell y'all right now.
Amen.
AI video generators
Look,
are
lady with the fan.
devil.
Look at the lady with the fan. She bows
Let me tell
after.
y'all right now. AI video generators are the devil.
Are the devil. You hear that, y'all? Maybe it can't say devil. That's actually a fantastic one. That's social media views right there. It even got the southern accent I asked for. Let me tell y'all. And the Lord said, striketh down VO3 with a D here. It's a devil with the D, evil. D evil. That's technically what it is. It's like that. It's a rap name. D evil. I'm surprised there isn't a rapper called D evil. That'd be a good one, right? I'm just saying. If one of you guys want to take that, give me credit. Actually, don't give me credit for that. That's got to backfire at some point. I was listening to Matt Farmer AI, and he came up with my new rap name. It only offends 50% of the free world. I'm excited for this. Super excited. How many generations per month? So I get about 100 per month for $125 US. It's likely going to get cheaper. It's $1 per video. VO2, the previous model, was about $250. So they actually made it a lot. Oh no, highest quality. I get 83 per month. I get 125 VO2, but if you do the fast mode, you get 1250. Yeah, VO has image to video. It's just not good with sound, so I did a couple of them, and it doesn't always get the sound correct on it. I don't even know why it's not showing these. I did image to video on this. But it seems to not be able to add voices into it. At least it has trouble with it. So, yeah. This one was pretty good. Why is it not playing sound on this one? It had sound before. Oh no, this one has sound.
They said it was art. They said it was creation. But it speaks with no soul. They said it was art. They said it was creation. But it speaks with no soul.
You have to view it from the library tab and script it. Does that work better? I did script it for these ones. Let's see. I'll go back and try it. Oh, this one looks like it's going to be an absolute gem. Let's see.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
That's good.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
It did generate that Bible out of nowhere.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
Are the devil. I wish this one worked properly. We got to get this one working because, yeah, it's too good. Oh, it even had the woman fans herself dramatically, etc. I think I'll get the hang of this generation stuff. Add to the end. Amen. You're right. We got to do another one. We've probably done our 83 videos already, to be honest. Okay. How about, can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? Amen. We can't help it, right? Yeah. It won't let you iterate on generations yet. Also use Kenneth Copeland as your ingredient image, but ingredients only work for VO2 right now. I can't get it to work for VO3. It makes me switch models. Going through credits, how can we not? Google did this to us. I know, right? Google just made me spend $125 in one day. Thanks, Google. Thanks, Google. Chuck. We're going to have to fill that up with the devil's nectar after spending all this money. Just an anecdote. It's not meant to offend anybody religious. I have nothing against anybody. I just think it's funny. And it's a really good generation that I think will do very well. Hi, Matt. Did you test Love Art already? No, I haven't tested Love Art. I hope the DeepSeek team puts something competitive quick. Yeah, it'd be financially best if they did. Usually state-of-the-art only lasts about a month. But it's hard to say. I don't know if anyone's going to be able to instantly compete with this. Like, they kind of have all the ingredients together. Kling does have sound generation. It's just not that good. It doesn't have the physics of this. Maybe the new model. Is there a help guide of how to use it? Or is it difficult to use? It's not difficult. You could type in anything to use it well. Like it's, it's a calculator. Anybody can press buttons on a calculator. You kind of have to know the math equations. It helps quite a bit with it on that side. So it's really just knowing the prompts. And you can get better and better, and then you're just burning less credits. Doing it vlog style? Yeah.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
That's so good.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
All right, we gotta post this one. So we're gonna upscale it to 1080p. Could take a few minutes. Matt, can you try image to video with speech? They come silent in VO3. I've had the same problem. So I tried it multiple times. It could do sound effects, but right now it's having issues with speech. So I wouldn't waste your credits on it. I tried to do it countless times. I had like random stuff like this. I never got speech properly through it though. So the maximum length right now is 8 seconds, but for VO2 you can extend. So you could significantly extend it, but it eventually will be longer. Do you think it's an issue or on purpose to block deepfakes? It doesn't fully block it because I did kind of a deepfake of myself. And even with ingredients, like I was able to make this with VO2 now that they have ingredients. And technically this is I wasn't in space eating popcorn. What the hell is this crap? Switching to my phone. Okay, Tiff. I grabbed mine, brought it to DaVinci Resolve to voiceover and use voice mod to change the voice. You have voice mod too? Voice mod's awesome. I used to use voice mod all the time. Rourke, what is up? How's it going? We're testing VO3. We're burning $125 worth of credits really fast. Check out this latest gem of a creation. We're upscaling it right now.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
Amen. So far it's fantastic. Image to video has issues doing speech right now. Image to video works, but it's only with sound effects. So if we go, no, that was text to video. This is image to video. Okay, that was it trying to do it, but it didn't quite do it. And then the physics are fantastic though. I want to test a Harry Potter style. A Harry Potter I really want to test a Harry Potter magic style scene. Let's do it. I don't know if it's going to let me use the words Harry Potter. Let's see. First, we got to see what this one does.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil. Can I get an amen? Let me tell y'all right now.
Can you get the same priest and do a sequence from another angle? No, it doesn't quite have that yet. I'm going to do it in the prompt generator. A Harry I'm just going to take what you said and let them build it out. Magic style scene. I don't think it's going to let me use Harry Potter. But and Rourke, your video, I can't wait for you to get a hold of this. Even the videos you do on the bad video generators are like, damn, I need that video generator. Jet surfing, thanks for the ice cream. Appreciate it. You're absolute legend. But yeah, the style of your videos, I don't know how much effort you put into editing or who your team is, but it's unbelievable. Okay, I don't think it mentioned Harry Potter in this. We'll see if it works. Can you make corn with it? Beef casserole? What kind of question? That's a hilarious question that directly relates to your username. Let's see what we can do here. We've used a lot of credits. Oh, we're not under. We've used like 2,500 credits. I got access recently. I've got a video ready, but I'm waiting for it to release on Free Pick. Oh, that makes sense. Free Pick probably has it. They just released it. Let me see. I know today Canada got it. What, corn? Did you try early access to Kling 2.1? No. Let me check my email and see. They probably offered it to me for a. They're like, if you do a video, we'll give you 10 credits or something pathetic like that. That's how they are. No offense, Kling. All right, let's see. Let's see if they've messaged me about it. Kling 2.1. Nope. Haven't heard anything about it yet. Kling 1.6, 2.0. I just have 2.0. I'm sure if 2.0 isn't close to VO, which it may not be, they're probably not going to instantly release it. But, you know. There's nothing better than VO3. I would say that's true. Right now, it's state of the art. I don't have a team yet, just me. Thanks, though, Matt. Man, you're editing next level. Like mine, nothing compared to it. But yeah, your videos, 10 out of 10. Blows my mind. It's my life goals, but I'll need to find somebody who's capable of doing it. And I don't really have a team. I only have somebody that helps me with my emails. That's it. I'll do the odd sponsor. VO3 lacks character consistency and MP3 uploads for consistent voice. Yeah, it does. It really depends. I love your videos. I was with RPN a few days ago and we love you. Really? I love RPN. RPN's an absolute legend. Man, I need to talk. I didn't know you guys know each other. But between your editing and his storytelling, I'm just like, how do I even compete? What I try to do is I just brute force information. I'm like, okay, we don't have any creative talent. All the creative talent is via AI at this point. There's only AI talent. So we're at the floor for talent. And I'm just like, okay, I just got to provide information. That's my lane. That's what I try to do. Okay, so let's see how this turned out. A teenage wizard in dark emerald robes, etc. Let's see.
Luxarion viventem.
I did not expect that deep voice. Wow. I'm looking to build AI team. We do video production for brands. Message me. Really? Well, maybe I will. Yeah, I was just with them in San Fran a few days ago. We're with the same talent management. I mean, it started great. Oh, you guys do I heard talent management is such a hack. I was talking to it's Orion or something, at Google Cloud Next, and he uses talent management, and I guess it's so much better on that side. My talent management is me. I can't believe this one is still upscaling that I did. I don't even remember which one is upscaling anymore, to be honest. Is this the one? Okay, let's see.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
No, I don't think it was that one. I think I wanted to post this one on X.
Let me tell y'all right now, AI video generators are the devil.
That's so good. Let's see if I can download it yet. Oh, could take a few minutes. Let's just get the original 720p life, you know? I could totally see a show on NF like Love, Death plus Robots, but entirely made with AI. Yeah, I could too. I've only spent a day learning prompt creation. We're doing Kane's Lions Festival, and it would be great to show AI talent. All right. I'm heading out, Matt. Have a lovely day. Yeah, you too. Good to connect. We should jump on a call at some point. If you're ever available, let me know. I'd love to shoot the I can't swear on stream. I'd like to talk AI. Yeah, just send me, or I'll send you a DM or send me a DM. Next week is a little bit crazy for me, but we'll make it work. Let's do it. Okay. So we need another image prompt, or we need another video prompt. What do you guys want to see? Give me some ideas. You don't blink at all? No, I use it. NVIDIA eye contact. Bam. Check that out. Can you do that? Do a Nike style advert. Man, you guys have some good ideas. Something from the movie Alien, electric unicycle rider, Pumpkinhead eating popcorn, do Nike style ad. Can you do something on health and fitness? Let's do all of them. Okay, let's start from the beginning. A scene from the movie Alien. Let's get a prompt going. Okay, we haven't even read this. We're just going to be surprised. Let me make sure. Right, video generator. Yes. So far, I'm liking this prompt generator. Electric unicycle rider. Okay, let's go. Electric unicycle rider. How would you balance with an electric unicycle? That doesn't matter. We're doing it anyways. Make a rage bait. I don't know if I want to get canceled. I'm using a GPT to generate this right now. I just found a random one. I'm going to create my own eventually. Okay, so electric unicycle. This one, it looks great. I did read it, but it looks great. Okay. Pumpkin head eating popcorn. I got you emojis. Or no, I got you Poland, sorry. Buttered souls. This one looks good. Got another one. A Nike style advertisement. You know how to make money with this. A Nike style advertisement for a shoe. I was a big digital marketer in my day. Worked with all the biggest brands. Olympic, ICC Cricket, ATP Tennis, UEFA. Mid-20s, lean intense, text before the world wakes up. I don't want the text appears. Text fades in. Whispered line, just don't stop. Let's see if we can actually do text in it. Why not? Okay, what else we got here? Something on health and fitness. Health and fitness. A guy in a gym doing bicep curls. Talking about how more plates equals more dates. Bam. Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris is a good one. Does it have any voice, audio, gym, ambiance? Look, it's plain and simple. More plates, pauses for dramatic curl. This one's super detailed. Let's see if it works. So, I am a rider. We find AI do a poor job at simulating it. A rider. A rider like a horse? Motorcycle? Riding what? It does a bad job. So AI Gymnastics has still not been cracked. We tested it earlier. We still have problems.
And she lands it perfectly.
Oh, God. Okay, we have these already started. What was this first one? Because it made it like movie Alien. Okay. That's pretty cool. Like, this is getting so good. The more and more control they give us, and really in the background, oh, electric unicycle rider. Here we go. That was great. Okay, these are some gems. Pumpkinhead eating popcorn? What?
Buttered souls.
Okay. He's not really chewing. Okay, here's a Nike commercial. Ready, go.
Just don't stop.
Oh, look at that. I'm telling Google. You see that?
Just don't stop.
I'm confused as to what happened with his feet. Let's slow motion track this. So his foot's over there. It steps here. And then his other foot is unseen, but it's somehow over. So his foot goes down. If we look at the arch, that's correct. Buttered sausage. Gary Busey. Yeah, that was hilarious. Okay, so let's watch this again. This one's pretty good. I can't believe they broke trademark, though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Google.
Just don't stop.
Nike. The fact that it did that is crazy. Can you extend a video as well? You can't extend the VO3 ones right now. You can only extend VO2. They will be adding it. Another thing too, I don't know why I'm pointing around, but another thing to factor is DeepMind announced that this can do 4K. Right now they're only generating in 720p and upscaling to 1080p. It should be able to make 4K, which is nuts. Samurai, what's up? What prompt are you using for scene generation? ChatGPT. I'm just using a GPT that I found. It's called VO3 Flow Prompt Generator plus voices and sound. It only has 80 people using it. So there's not, I just found like an underground one. It's actually quite good. I'm going to give him a good rating though. Good job on this. I'll make my own. Yeah, I agree. Electric unicycle probably wins right now, but we haven't got to the working out one. Hopefully it's like I should do one where it does Arnold. Great content. Greetings from Austria. I was just going to say Austria. It's fantastic. You know? Let's see the prompt. Which one do you want to see the prompt for? How are you sharing your screen? I'm using OBS right now. So I use TikTok Live Studio. And then you can see that I can do everything here. So OBS, it's completely free for the cost of nothing. The ChatGPT, I can't actually see what the prompt they're using for this is, but I could reverse engineer it really easily with this much information. I could just copy and paste this into ChatGPT and be like, reverse engineer what this prompt is doing. I don't recommend doing that, but yeah. Let's see. Yes. 100%. Okay, let's go. This guy's pretty ripped. Oh, it's not playing it. I may have to oh, finished upscaling. That only took 300 years. So we're going to have to refresh the page.
Look, it's simple. More plates equals more dates.
Oh, yeah.
Look, it's simple. More plates equals more dates. Look, it's simple. More plates equals more dates. Look, it's simple. More plates equals more dates.
That's a good one. Yeah, that's right. I have a dumbbell just ready to go. So don't mess around. Yeah, wife is like, why are you making that? No, I'm just kidding. Good morning, Roland. I'm probably just actually going to be ending this stream soon. Is this on the pro plan? I don't believe it's on the pro plan. I do have to go to sleep, though, at some point. I got a baby ultrasound tomorrow. And I have to be 100% to see my new baby. It's important. Can it do the scene with the same characters? Potentially, if you were to use the same image for it. So yeah, I got to see my baby for the first time tomorrow. So I probably got to end it now. Appreciate everybody jumping on, though. I got 77 viewers. This is crazy. Yeah, I get to see. This is baby number 6. But still, I want to see it. But appreciate everybody who's jumped on. Of course, I'll be live streaming again. And we'll be burning those VO3 credits until bankruptcy lawyers start calling. But thanks, everybody, for joining. Thanks, Patty, for joining in, too. I'm not sure if you're even still there. No, Patty's long gone. He's sleeping at his desk. Yeah, congrats, dude. Be careful with AI. Yep. Till next time. And like I said, in June, we will be having a stream schedule. Till then, I'm just going to stream as much as I can. It's probably been one of my most successful streams. Appreciate you all. Hope you enjoyed that. This was a very expensive stream for me, so thanks for all the gifts and everything. It does help. And yeah, I'll likely be uploading this live to the tube of you that I can't say, or else it gets... Oh, Mr. Roland, thank you. Poland, dude, the absolute legend. Thank you, guys. What platform did you use for the video? This is VO3, so Flow from Google. Like I said, this whole video will be uploaded, so if you want to check it out and watch all the generations, it'll be there. All right. Well, thanks, everybody. Have yourself a good night. I am out. Until next time.